Calculators and BODMAS. They do not always get it right. Here is why. Most people assume this. If I type it into a calculator, it will give the right answer, but that is not always true. It depends on the calculator. There are two main types. Basic calculators work left to right only. Scientific calculators follow BODMAS automatically. Same problem, different answers. Let's test it. 8 plus 2 multiplied by 5. A basic calculator goes left to right. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Then 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50. Answer 50. Wrong. Now a scientific calculator. Same problem. It follows BODMAS. 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. Then 8 plus 10 equals 18. Answer 18. Correct. Same input, different output. Basic calculator, 50. Scientific calculator, 18. The calculator does not know what you meant, only what you typed. Here is a quick test. Type 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. The correct answer is 14. If your calculator shows 20, it does not follow BODMAS. If it shows 14, it does. When in doubt, use brackets. Brackets always work. 8 plus 2 all multiplied by 5 gives 50. 8 plus 2 multiplied by 5 gives 18. You control the order. What about your phone? Most modern phones follow BODMAS. But do not assume. Always test it first. Here is the rule to remember. Know your calculator. Scientific follows BODMAS. Basic, left to right. Brackets work on all of them. Simply said, not all calculators follow BODMAS. The safest option, use brackets. That way, you stay in control. Next step, common mistakes. The errors most people make, and how to fix them.